Hello, this is my EDUC638 Module 2 discussion post. While reading through the assignments for this week, there are a few pieces that stuck out to me. First was the idea that you can learn from everyone and that all lessons are worthy of our attention. When developing the Twitter account for this class, I realized that never having used Twitter before made me a novice, and I sought out advice. The best place I thought to search for it was with my students. It took me approximately 3 seconds to find a student that used Twitter. The student walked me through the different features and tools that Twitter has to offer that makes it unique. We can learn from unexpected places. The second half of Proverbs 1:7 tells us that fools despise wisdom and instruction. It is important that we realize that instruction can come from anywhere as God works through all of us. Hall also made me think about what kind of leader I am considered. After reading the information about the sage, sensei, and oracle, I believe that the type that I can most relate to, in terms of my teaching style, is the sensei. I believe in the concepts of constructivism and the idea that I should be a role model to all my students, but allow them to experience learning. This relates to the sensei position as the sensei represents the dual role of mentor and facilitator. Another type of leader that I can find myself to be is the sage. This tends to come out more when working with peers versus students. For instance, when running team meetings at work, I had a very hard time delegating tasks and letting things fall where they may. Therefore, with this group project for this class, I'm going to try to have a more balanced approach. I believe that communication is a key way for me to be able to effectively accomplish this task. Both Hall and Picano spoke about communication, which is the final aspect that I want to mention about this week's readings. Hall opened my eyes that not all of the issues experienced in group projects lie with the group member's ability, but could also be possibly due to different perspectives. In addition, Picano described schools as social systems, and that when school procedures are determined by shared decision-making, the process runs smoother. Russell Adams in 2008 determined through much research that communication is the most important and effective tool an administrator can utilize. I plan to take this advice to heart as to become a better leader and representative of Christ. Thank you.